Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will be doing 2K clear on the Infinity. If you tune in to last video, we did the body color. And today we will be doing 2K clear.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
Before spraying any clear, be sure to blow off the body before do so, because there may be some dust and hair which you do not want on the body when you are doing clear coat. Otherwise you have to wet sand it and polish it out. Be sure to tack on a mist coat on the decals to seal them in. Then move on to the hard and reach areas first easy forget spot. That way, you won't forget about them later on. Be sure to keep your coats light and thin to avoid any rungs. Remember, this is your first coat. Don't worry about full coverage. And don't worry about any orange peel at this moment in time. Be sure to let the clear coat dry for about 5 to 10 minutes before moving on to your second coat. Now remember, this is your second coat. You can take this one a little bit more heavier than your first one if you want. And if you feel comfortable, go ahead and add a bit more reducer to your curriculum. Mix to thin it down. Get rid of as much orange peel as possible. The clear coat that I am using, it is finished 1 Automotive 2K clearer. The mixing ratio I use is 3 to 1 to 1, 3 part clear, 1 part harder, and 1 part reducer. Airbrush settings is 20 psi with a 0.3 milliliter needle. And again, make sure you let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes before moving on to your third coat. Since this is your third and final coat, this one could be your heaviest of them all. But then again, not too heavy, because again, you don't want to create any runs or fill in your panel lines. That is the last thing you want. And if you are witnessing any orange peel from your second coat, go ahead and add a few more drops of reducer into your clear coat mix. If you still have clear coat left over, this is what I like to call a missed coat. This basically isn't a full coverage. This is literally what I call and what it is, a missed coat. You're just missing the clear onto the body, very lightly to get rid of any excess, and any resisting orange peel that could or still be on the body at this moment. Again, this is not a full coverage, it is just a missed coat. Be sure to look over the body very thoroughly to make sure you did not miss anything. If you did, now this is a time to touch it up. And there we have it, folks. That is how to use 2K clear on a model car body. As you can tell by these pictures, the body turned out absolutely fantastic. Now, most cases, there might be a piece of dust or a pivot in the clear coat. Not to worry. Let the body dry for about 2 to 3 days. Then you can easily sand it and polish it out. But that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed until my next video. I will catch you next time.